Alright guys, we just found a random blue trail. It's a blue tape, so I'm guessing it's a trail. And we're gonna see what it looks like. I've not been down it yet, so you guys are seeing it first time with me. So, let's see what happens. And this is definitely a spot that's kind of rough. Not what I was expecting, guys. Okay, looks like sand so far, which isn't bad. Alright, so we still in two-wheel drive, so far so good, guys. We're just gonna constantly keep moving. Let me know if you like the POV from the meadows, or you like me just put my phone up here and you get to see the whole thing. So just kind of let me know, guys, what you prefer. Nice. What's up with all the sand shit, guys?
Somebody tried to get out back there, that's what that is.
So far, she's killing it in two-wheel. And so far, so good still. I'm not seeing nothing too crazy. Ooh. Alright, not bad. Should we go around? Yeah. Probably. Let's go. Yeah, sorry if it's not like a crazy trail, guys. Like I said, I've not explored it yet, so it's the first time I've been seeing this. I have no idea what exactly is back here. First time exploration, guys. First time exploration. Well, we in South Florida, and this is what it is. So, if you guys want to travel out here to check it out, it's kind of what you're looking at in the dry season so far. It's supposed to rain today, but we might be in here, we may not be. Just depends how bad it is. So yeah, stay tuned for another video, guys. I appreciate it.